Hello and welcome to this video. Basically, this video is related to Science MCQ Part 2. So let's start. The question is, which of the following is longest part of the alimentary canal? First, small intestine. Second, large intestine. Third, stomach. Or fourth, duodenum. So what is the answer? The answer is small intestine. But why? Now, our digestive system basically divided in two parts. The first part is called alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. And the second part is accessory accessory digestive organ. Digestive organ. Now, if we talk about the which thing lie in the alimentary canal, the first thing is that our mouth. After that, pharynx. After that, esophagus. And now our stomach and small intestine and large intestine. That is alimentary canal part. And if we talk about the accessory digestive organ, the accessory digestive organ is liver, pancreas, pancreas, gallbladder, and appendix. So the question is asking which is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Means in your alimentary canal have several parts, and which part is the longest part of the alimentary canal. But first of all, we know that what is the length of the alimentary canal. That length is 33 feet. And if we talk in meter, 12 meter and 33, that is the length of the alimentary canal. Now the answer is small intestine. You can see on the figure, that is the part of the inner part. That part is called small intestine. Upper part is called large intestine. That is our stomach, and that brownish part is liver. Now the option is large intestine is wrong, because the length of the large intestine is 1.5 feet. The length of the stomach is 1 or 12-inch. Duodenum is the part of the small intestine, and the length of the small intestine is 22 feet. So the correct answer is small intestine. Means in alimentary canal, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, not. Small intestine is the largest part of the alimentary canal. Now the second question is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second statement, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Which statement is correct? Only first, only second, both first and second, or neither first nor second. Means in this question, which statement are true? Statement first or statement second, or both, or neither first or nor second. So try to understand. You know that very well. That is the figure of the photosynthesis process, and that is the leaf of the plant, and waters and nutrition means minerals enters by this way, and plants leaf in carbon dioxide enters in leaf. That part name is stomata, and if we pull the leaf, there have a tiny cells. That name is chloroplast, and every chloroplast have chlorophyll. As you see, in chloroplast have tiny round holes, that is chlorophyll, and chlorophylls makes food for plant. So absorption of light energy by chlorophyll means that statement is true. And now the second statement is correct or not. So discuss reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. You know that very well. You can see that in this figure the carbon dioxide enters. After that they will make a food, that name is carbohydrate, and after that carbohydrate stores in the form of starch in the plants, and in humans store food store food in the form of glycogen glycogen. So that is the answer. Now, with reference to the plant, which of the following statement is correct? Option first, chlorophyll is present in the organelle called chloroplast. Means that is not true, because in previous image you can see that, just a moment please, you can see that chlorophylls are present in chloroplast. Means that statement is true. Gaseous exchange takes place only through stomata, and there is no role of stems and root. Now in this question I have told you that carbon dioxide, as you know that it is a form of gas, and it enters in the leaf through stomata, that are teeny holes that are present in the leaves. The statement says that only through stomata, means gaseous exchange, means carbon dioxide enters and oxygen out. That process only done by stomata. There is no role of stem and root. Does this statement is correct or not? This statement is not correct, because as you know that if any plant that don't have a leaf, then how they can done photosynthesis process? They can done our photosynthesis process with the help of stems and roots. So that option is not correct. And if we talk option third, nitrogen is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrate. The explanation of this statement is nitrogen is an essential element used in synthesis of protein and other compounds. Means if you want to synthesize proteins and other compounds that are essential for the plant, then you have nitrogen. But this is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates. So that statement is truly correct. The answer is here only first and third. Option. Consider the following statement. Option first, alveoli helps in the digestion of food. Villi are responsible for efficient efficient respiration. Here the both statement are wrong, because as you know that humans lungs are as you know that human lungs are truly separated in two sectors, that is our right lungs, and that is our left lungs. And air enters through bronchi in our lungs. Now in the air have nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, and that reaches in our lungs, all gases, but in your lungs have alveoli are present. That's total number is 300 millions, and right lungs are divided in three lobes, first, second, and third, and the left lungs are divided in two lobes, and the tiny balls-like structure are present in our lungs that name is alveoli, and that work is to pass oxygen to our blood and stop all gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide, other gases stops in your lungs, and after that they will out, and oxygen passed and mixed up your blood with the help of alveoli. Means alveoli are present in our lungs. So alveoli helps in digestion of food. That statement is totally wrong. Villi are responsible for efficient respiration. That statement is also wrong because what is villi? Just a moment. Basically, villi are the villi are present in small intestine, where small intestine that are the very teeny structure, just like a finger. And when foods enters in small intestine, that provides a space to absorb. So that question is that statement is also wrong. So neither first nor second the option is correct. Now next question is peristaltic movement are found in heart of statement. Second is salivary amylase breaks down starch into sugar. Then which is the correct? Peristaltic movement are not found in our heart. What is the peristaltic movement? I have told you just a moment. Salivary amylase breaks down starch into sugar. Yes, our salivary amylase, that name is also Thailand. It's break down starch into sugar, and lysozymes protect our body from bacteria and other things. There in your saliva, there have two enzymes found. That name is amylase and second lysozyme. Now, why that is wrong? Because when foods enters in your mouth, that will pass. This is a food. First of all, they will pass and reach esophagus. After that, they will pass and uh, that is our stomach, and the food reaches stomach. After that, they will reach our intestine. So, peristaltic movement there have no role of lungs, though no role of heart, any other. So peristaltic movement are not found in heart. That option is incorrect. Salivary amylase breaks down starch into sugar. That option is correct. So only two. That is the correct answer. The question is consider the following statement about digestion. The secretion is done by the small intestine. Hydrochloric acid, that short form is HCl, inhibits the function of pepsin. Statement third is the mucus protects the inner lining of stomach from the action of the acid. Which statement is correct? Only first, second and third, only third, first, second and third, all. Now, first of all, I have told you that statement first is incorrect because the secretion is done by the small intestine. That is incorrect because secretion is done by the our stomach. What? Stomach. So statement first is not correct. Please try to understand. Our stomach have gastric gland, and that have three cells, but that have three cells, and every cell have separate product. The first cell is that name is partial cell. What? Partial cell. That name is also oxy oxyntic cell. That product is HCl. That name is hydrochloric acid. And second is second cell is chief R zymogen cell. What? Zymogen cell. Chief R zymogen cell that produce pepsinogen pepsinogen plus prorenin. What? Prorenin. And pepsinogen and prorenin in our stomach have inactive form. HCl makes both inactive form. After that, HCl converts pepsinogen into pepsin and prorenin into renin. Pepsin is responsible for the digestion of protein, and renin are the responsible for the digestion of casein protein that are present in milk. And the third cell is mucous cell. That product is mucous cells. Mucous cells. What is mucus? It is a base substance that protects our stomach with HCl. So that series has ended. Thanks for listening. God bless you all.